Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Tiffany 100 Plus Rescue House 1 with our gorgeous boy Blake. I know, I'm talking, so here you go. Here he comes. It was all nice and calm. And then I started talking. Okay, wait, okay. Oh. Tail. If this doesn't show you what a love muffin this little guy is, I don't know what to tell you. Oops. There he is. So we are here in South Florida. We are under a tropical storm warning. It is pretty nasty out. Blake is not a fan of storms. He's not a fan of rain and thunder, so TV is up kind of loud, and I'm just sitting in here snuggling with him, just trying to keep him calm. I have not given him any trazodone because he hasn't really had much since he's been back, only during storms. So instead of giving him the traz, I figured I would just come in here and sit with him and try to keep him calm by me just being in here with him. Sam and Susie had to get trazodone because they don't like storms. So everybody's TVs are up loud in the house to try to block out the sound. And I'm just snuggling with Blake on the couch and watching tennis. And he was being very, very snuggly. And then once I started talking, that was it. Now he's awake. But I wanted to show you guys, you know, that he has that sweet, snuggly side to him. He's not all gung-ho all the time, although he does have a lot of energy and he does need an outlet for that energy. He can also snuggle on the couch and just be quite the little love muffin. So I wanted to jump on while he was quiet and laying across me and just snuggling so that you guys could see that side to Blake as well. Of course, you know Blake has gone through training. We have all gone through training. You might have seen the video I posted of everybody from Rescue House 1 here last Saturday with the trainer Zach, going through everything, learning all of the techniques, learning all of the commands so that we are all on the same page. With Blake, he is getting his walks, he is getting his structured playtime in the yard. So we are keeping Blake happy here at Rescue House 1 while we wait to find him his forever home. So that's why we do these videos. We want to get the word out. We want you guys to share. We want to find his home. Blake needs a very specific home. He needs a home with a individual or a couple that are very active, that like to do things with their dog, taking their dog on walks or hikes or jogs, in the car, on vacation with them. That really is active, likes to go for runs or go skateboarding or on skates or bike riding with him to get his energy out. No children in the home, no other pets in the home. Blake needs all of your attention. Obviously, if you work 10, 12 hours a day, 8 hours a day, it's not going to be the best for him. Again, because he needs an outlet. He needs exercise. He needs to get the energy out. So we are looking for a very specific home for him. We know that person has to be out there. We just need to find them. Oh, I know. I took my feet off the bed. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh look, yeah, see, that's what we're dealing with down here in South Florida. Really nasty few days down here. Under a tropical storm warning here in South Florida. Currently pouring outside. Just a nasty couple days for us here. Hey, buddy. So again, this is Blake. Oh, I know, I got up. I know. I'm standing right here though. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I know. Here you go, get your bone. You want this one? Here. Ready? Sit. Sit. Or down. There you go. Good boy. Yes, he did give me that stink eye, Shannon, when I took my feet off the couch and put them on the floor. He was like, wait a minute, where are you going? What are you doing? Don't leave me. So, again, guys, please share Blake so that we can find his home. Like I said, I know we're looking for a very specific home for him, but we know it has to be out there. And the only way we're going to find it is if you guys share his videos and his story. Hi, sit. Sit so I can see your face. Sit down. Sit. Look at how handsome. Look at how handsome. Good boy. Good boy. And if you are interested in Blake, please send us an email to 100plusabandoneddogs@gmail.com. That's 100plus plus abandoned dogs @gmail.com. Ooh, the rain's coming down sideways. Yes, that's right. Tell him to send an email for you. Such a happy boy. Such a happy boy. Tail's always going. Always going, I know. So again, guys, this is Blake. Blake is searching for his family, for his perfect fit, for his forever home. Such a loving, sweet, happy, goofy boy that just has a lot of energy and needs the right outlets for it, needs the right type of home, needs the right type of owner. And we know they have to be out there. We just need help finding them. So please, please share the video. And again, if you're interested, the email address is 100plusabandoneddogs@gmail.com. Again, a single person or a couple that is very athletic, very energetic, wants to do a lot of stuff with their dog. No kids, no other pets, please. He is such a snuggle bug. He really is. He's such a little lover, as you could see at the beginning of this video. So this is Tiffany at Rescue House 1 with Blake. 100plusabandoneddogs@gmail.com is our email address. Please share this video for Blake. Say bye, Blake. Say bye, Blake. I sit down, he's gonna jump on me. But the tail's already starting. His tail's starting because he knows I'm gonna sit down. Happy? Are you happy I sat back down? Yes, you are. Such a good boy. This is Tiffany and Blake, Rescue House 1, 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida. Hope that you guys have a good Friday, and anybody that is in Florida, please stay safe. 100 plus abandoned dogs of Everglades, Florida.